Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to delete Shopee account. So if you also want to delete Shopee account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch OpenShop application. You can see over here Shopee is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now if you want to delete your account, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your account interface. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the option for settings. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here settings will be opened. You can see several options over here. Over here what you have to do is find the option for data and privacy. Tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. At last you'll be able to find the option for delete account. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. When you delete your account, Shop will delete your email and phone number. This action cannot be undone. You can see two options over here, delete account and cancel. If you change your mind, simply tap on the cancel option. If you still want to delete your account, simply tap on the option delete account. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Once you have deleted your account, your data will be lost. You can see the option for delete account over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here your account has been successfully deleted. So that is how you delete Shopee account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.